Hello and welcome from the Camper and Motorhome Fair at Fulda, Germany. First time ever this year. This company is Auto Service Able. It's a local company. They've bought 55 vehicles. Some of them are used, most of them are brand new, but this one here is a Eura Mobil Profila from February 2019. Mind you, whoever owned this before gets my full appreciation and congratulations, because I would say it looks new. It is really in fantastic condition, and the price reflects its fantastic condition. 72,500 euros. So whoever bought this won't be actually losing much money on the deal, but whoever buys it will be saving themselves quite a lot on the new price, which is really now for this model you're looking at 6 figures. So it's a side bed model, as you can see, storage above the bed. This one is 7 meters long, 232 wide, 286 high, and it's got what I term the sauna look to its shower and toilet. The toilet is under this seat. I think I really like that. I think that looks absolutely brilliant. You can see the seat under there, and it also comes with this storage for things that you might take to the bathroom. And so the shower itself is quite large, though you can, and this will actually close. There's a door here that closes the shower. It also comes with a wash basin, and there's a sliding door. Here's the sliding door. I shall unslide the door, slide it. Right, now, this one has got 2 mattresses. I'm sure there's a reason for having 2 mattresses, but I don't know what it is. And maybe the owner bought a separate mattress. Maybe one of them's harder. Well, I wouldn't know anyway. I like things to be really hard, like concrete's too soft for me. Blackout blinds, storage at the back. We've got the fridge here, but somebody says fridge shouldn't be next to the bed. This is a 3-way fridge, so when it's on gas you can't hear it at all. In fact, you can't hear it at all anyway. It doesn't really make any noise. Well, sometimes you hear sort of little gurgle or something, but that's probably when you forgot the cat in the fridge. And anyway, and over here we have got a very large wardrobe and more storage below it as well. On the floor, we see that the floor is flat. I'll show it to you once I've finished doing this. The floor is flat all the way back. It's a double floor, and that means that inside the double floor we can find storage, and some of the technical infrastructure as well goes into the double floor, such as the water tanks. And great, I think this is a nice fan. Now, the advantage of the double bed, the side bed, is you can get in and out easily. The disadvantage is there's not much in the way of storage for such things as food, which you can cook over here, 3 burners, sink, and a good amount of storage below. And EuraMobil does this really nice line in kitchens. So what's on there? There we go. If these things catch and it doesn't close, what you can do, if you press it like this, it'll open this time. Oh, there you see, it doesn't work. There you go. So you press it like that, and then it fires out. Or alternatively, you can hit it. But there you go. Oops. Yeah. And here, gas. And great. So this, I think, is more of a van for maybe those that may find it a bit more difficult getting in and out of a bed, such as a widthwise bed, or maybe the German layout or something. But this is a very, very clean vehicle. Very clean. And now you can always tell how old things are from this. But this does not used at all. I mean, well, no, I can just about tell it has been used, but superb condition. So congratulations. There you go, 72,500. And is there anything there I can tell you? There you've got the, if you're interested, look, you've got the address of the company. I don't think that'll come out as the QR code, but you have there. I suspect, you know, no, I don't suspect. I'm convinced that by the time this gets published, this vehicle will have gone. I'd like to think I could get my second-hand stuff up first before I put up my new stuff for things like this. But for anybody actually looking for a van of this nature, I think that's quite good. Now, I mentioned earlier the disadvantage of the side bed, and here it is. So the storage is, you know, you can't get bikes in there, but it's not as big. But having said that, I mean, it's bigger than the boot in the Lada, isn't it? So this one comes with one of these Fiamma things to stop this being opened. 2 bikes on the back, or holder for 2 bikes on the back. So I think that is a realistically priced vehicle. I know somebody's going to disagree with me and say, yeah, well, that money for a used van. I think this van will be gone before I even transfer this from the camera to my hard disk. So thanks very much for watching, and I upload every day at 21:15. So at 21:15 there's a video from me. It'll be a premiere, and I'm there, I won't say nearly always, but as often as I can be. I would say I'm there 90% of the time. So you want to chat in real time about vehicles or whatever, then you can do so. Thanks for being here. All the best from me in Fulda, Germany.